Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel Health Lab. Today's video is going to be very interesting, as in this video, we're going to talk about surprising benefits of cloves over 50 plus. Cloves are dried flower buds from the clove tree Syzygium aromaticum and are commonly used as a spice in various cuisines around the world. They not only add flavor to dishes, but also offer several health benefits. So in this video, we will discuss 6 surprising benefits of cloves. Number 1, rich in nutrients. Cloves are a good source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports the immune system. Cloves contain a significant amount of vitamin K. This vitamin is important for blood clotting and bone health. Cloves are a source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals are crucial for maintaining proper heart function, muscle contraction, and fluid balance. Number 2, anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties primarily due to a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a potent antioxidant. It helps neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, eugenol helps mitigate inflammation. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, eugenol also has analgesic pain-relieving properties. It has been shown to reduce swelling caused by inflammation. This can further contribute to its ability to alleviate inflammation-related discomfort. Number 3, oral health. Clove oil derived from cloves is commonly used in oral health products due to its natural analgesic and antiseptic properties. It can help alleviate toothaches and reduce gum disease. Clove oil is a popular home remedy for toothache. Applying a small amount of diluted clove oil to the affected area can help numb the pain temporarily. The antibacterial properties of cloves can help combat the bacteria that cause bad breath. Chewing on a clove or using clove-based mouthwash can help freshen breath. Number 4, digestive health. Cloves can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, including amylases, proteases, and lipases. These enzymes are crucial for breaking down complex nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller, more easily absorbed molecules. Cloves have carminative properties, which means they can help alleviate gas and bloating. They work by promoting the release of gas from the digestive tract and reducing the formation of gas in the first place. Cloves have been traditionally used to relieve nausea and vomiting. They can be chewed or consumed as a tea to help calm an upset stomach. Number 5, respiratory health. Cloves contain compounds with antibacterial and antiviral properties. These properties can help combat bacterial and viral infections in the respiratory tract, which is especially relevant during cold and flu seasons. Cloves can be used to help alleviate coughs. Clove tea, for example, can be soothing to the throat and may help suppress coughing. Some studies suggest that eugenol, a major component of cloves, may have bronchodilator effects, which can help open up airways and improve breathing for individuals with asthma. Number 6, blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cloves, including eugenol and other phenolic compounds, may help regulate blood sugar levels. Eugenol may have an insulin-like effect and may improve insulin sensitivity, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Cloves may assist in weight management, which is an important aspect of diabetes management. Maintaining a healthy weight can help improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. So these are the 6 benefits of cloves. Add cloves to your food to get these benefits.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, don't forget to like and share with your family and friends. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. See you in next video. Take care.